Koe te whānau. Just going to hold up close because it's pretty quiet here. Just a real quick one for today. Start replacing things that you already are doing, so some of these activities in your life, and start replacing them with more productive things that you can do in Te Reo Māori. So if you're sitting there already watching TV, if you're already watching Netflix, turn it off. Jump on Māori TV. You can watch it live on the Māori TV website. Start watching all these Te Reo Māori shows. If you read the paper, switch your paper up. Ditch the paper, get some books in Te Reo Māori, read some stuff online. There's heaps out there you can do. If you're listening to commercial radio in the car, ditch that. Start listening to some Māori songs. Look them up on YouTube. There's heaps of CDs out there. There's all these sorts of different things you can do. So just take these activities that you're already doing, take away watching YouTube, watching Netflix, watching the news, start watching Māori TV, stop reading the paper, stop reading, not completely, but start reading Māori text. Start listening to Māori songs, Māori music. I really don't know if you can hear me on this, so I apologise if it's quiet, but just start replacing those things you're already doing with these more productive things. And it doesn't have to be hard, it doesn't have to be onerous, that's all you have to do. Anyway, I'm out, I've got to go, but we'll see you tomorrow.